Hello, my name is Mike Küster. I am training consultant at Rothenberger, and I take care of everything related to the technical training seminars. Today I will show you how you can professionally recover refrigerants with our RoRec Pro digital refrigerant recovery device. To do this, we need some additional products, such as our RoCool 600 digital manifold, including refrigerant hoses, the RoScale 120 refrigerant scale, and the matching recycling bottle. Today's example shows the case that the compressor of the air conditioning system is defective and the refrigerant has to be recovered. The RoRec Pro Digital was connected to the RoCool 600 via the yellow working hose. Care was taken to ensure that the filter dryer was mounted with the arrow pointing in the direction of the suction unit. On the output side of the RoRec Pro Digital, a vacuum is drawn on the yellow working hose and onto the RoRec Pro Digital in order to remove foreign gases. To do this, the vacuum pump is started and the working valve is turned until the foreign gases have been removed from all areas. This can be recognized acoustically by an unsteady running of the vacuum pump. If the vacuum pump runs smoothly in any position of the working valve, evacuation can be terminated. After vacuum has been completely drawn, the RoRec Pro Digital is set to close and the working hose to the vacuum pump is closed. The vacuum pump is then removed. Now the hose is connected to the recycling bottle for the intended refrigerant. Since work is now being actively carried out with refrigerant again, it is essential to wear the personal protective equipment. With the recycling bottle, make sure that there is sufficient space for the refrigerant to be extracted. Then, all working valves are opened in the direction of flow to the extraction unit. Starting with the RoCool, continue via the hose to the input side of the RoRec Pro Digital. There, the rotary switch is set to the liquid position, and then the valves on the bottle are opened. By opening the bottle, a pressure equalization from air conditioner to recycling bottle is obtained. The pressure equalization is noticeable via a slight hissing noise. This pressure equalization also serves to ensure that the refrigerating machine oil from the air conditioning system lubricates the oil-free compressor of the RoRec Pro Digital. Once the pressure has been equalized, the rotary knob of the extraction system is set to recover, and the RoRec Pro Digital is switched on via the touch display. After the refrigerant has been completely extracted, the RoRec Pro Digital switches off automatically. Now the time is right for the RoRec Pro Digital to clean itself. To do this, turn the rotary knob from Recover to Purge. After the RoRec Pro Digital has also switched itself off here, the valves of the bottle are closed. The recovery process is now complete, and the hose can be disconnected from the bottle. Please be sure to turn the rotary switch back to closed before safely stowing the RoRec Pro Digital in the car. Thank you for watching.